Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
MLA ka UDP uba olan sing Suiñ ulaong baka Jingshna ka Rain Museum kabalambang pisa arpenyo Klur tingka hakas ng Mawsynram lakhamit lenti ba an sa pendap no hapo sisnam hakajingkan bekilat patay hubor hakasan terik yayong arajar apon riau uba Suiñ ulaong baka jing temu ban kan TV kam jngok kai perthai hakathan kunthop ya Jingshna ka Rain Museum kadang ya syahman kenang bakan kering ikinong jengok kai perthai syakas nang Mawsynram.
The Rain Museum, once it is completed, you will see. When you are inside the museum, you'll really feel that you are in the Rain Museum, because it is designed in such a way. The roof is designed in such a way that when the rain is stopped in the roof, and the rain from the roof will fall on the surface, you will see that it's a new wonderful of pouring of rain from the roof to the ground. 27 crore. There will be some around the Rain Museum. There will be something like a pool, something like that, so that when the rain drops from the rooftop, it will fall in the pool, and you see the splashing of the rain, and you see the wonder of it. No,
Museum.
as I said that we have to. Destruction should be there because we have to because the building unit, when it takes place, we have to occupy the space. So we occupy the space. So while that space which is going to be occupied, we have to do land leveling, soil disturbance with the topsoil. We have to we cannot avoid.
So least is affected least.
Least affected because also it is set up. It is constructed in the barren land. It is not in the 5 grade soil, which is a non-arable land. Unique in the world because it is being the wettest place. We should show our uniqueness in the world.